Good afternoon, everybody. Today we start with one more chapter from Pharmaceutical Chemistry 1, and that is the official compounds of iron. As you all know about iron, iron is a very important constituent of our body. It plays a very important role in a body mechanism. Lack of iron present in the body will produce maximum diseases in the body. Generally, iron is the one which is a essential constituent, and that's why the normal requirement of iron required for everybody, it is not more than 45 milligram पर किलोग्राम ऑफ बॉडी वेट. याचा अर्थ काय, 1 किलो वजन जर असेल तर त्या शरीरामध्ये कमीत कमी 45 मिलीग्राम आयर्न पाहिजे. मग ज्याचं जेवढं वजन त्या हिशोबाने तेवढं आयर्न त्याच्या शरीरात राहणं गरजेचं आहे. ही झाली नॉर्मल रिक्वायरमेंट. वेअर ॲज अ डेली रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ आयर्न इन अ ह्युमन बॉडी इज 10 to 12 मिलीग्राम पर किलोग्राम ऑफ अ बॉडी वेट. 10 to 12 milligram per kilogram of body weight. It is the daily requirement. That means in our body, for 1 kg, iron should be produced daily in the body is up to about 10 to 12 milligram, and by that 45 milligram, it is a normal requirement because it shows a very important role. And for the development of iron in the body, the variety sources are food, grains, vegetables, fruits, and variety calorie food that we are supposed to consume throughout the day will produce iron in our body. Generally, there are 2 types of iron present in the body. Number 1, hemoproteins. And second, transport protein or iron storage. There are 2 types of iron present in the body. Number 1, hemoprotein, and number 2, iron storage or transport protein. Out of these 2, the first one, that is your hemoprotein. If I say hemoprotein, hemoproteins are the one, heme means iron, iron protein. They are the proteins and they are obtained in the form of hemoglobin and hemooxyglobin or hemooxyhemoglobin. Hemooxyglobin or hemoglobin, these are the 2 hemoproteins which are present in the body, and these hemoglobin plays very important role in our body to carry the oxygen from the body to the heart. Oxygen carrying capacity should be developed only due to the presence of hemoglobin in the body. Whereas the second type is transport protein or iron storage. This is also one more hemoglobin. This is also one more protein. This transport protein or iron storage, which is present in our body, it is nothing but present in the form of ferritin. In the form of ferritin, and that ferritin is present in our body in the different parts of our system like pancreas, spleen, liver, etc. In the different parts of our body, in this part, this ferritin is to be developed. Ferritin is present, and this ferritin is capable to strengthen म्हणजे ताकद, capable to strengthen the body, capable to strengthen the body of a person. Strengthness to be developed in the body is only due to the presence of hemoglobin, which is a ferritin. Ferritin मुळे काय होते, बॉडीला स्ट्रेंथ येते. and there is also the development of RBCs. काय डेव्हलप होतात, RBC पण डेव्हलप होत आहे. Development of RBC used to carry the oxygen, that is hemoglobin, and these are the 2 different types of hemoglobin. Now generally hemoglobin or oxyhemoglobin transport protein or hemoprotein which is present in the body, so called iron contents. And generally iron loss is more in amount in case of a female than that of a male. फिमेल मध्ये आयनचा लॉस सगळ्यात जास्त प्रमाणात होतो ड्यू टू द मेन्स्ट्रुअल फ्लो. ड्यू टू द मेन्स्ट्रुअल फ्लो देर इज अ कंटिन्युअस लिबरेशन ऑफ ब्लड थ्रू द बॉडी, and whenever there is a loss of blood through the body, there is a loss of iron content. And whenever there is a loss of iron content, and if there is a very less amount of iron present in the body, so called anemia. त्याला काय म्हणतात? ॲनिमिया. ॲनिमिया होणं म्हणजे काय? शरीरामध्ये आयर्न कंटेंटचं प्रमाण कमी होणे. whenever there is a loss of iron, there is a term so called anemia. And generally in a pregnant woman there is a excess loss of iron content, or there is a minimum requirement or minimum iron contents are present in the body, because in a pregnancy whatever food we are consuming, whatever calorie food we are consuming, that is to be transported from mother to embryo, mother to placenta. And in that case, if there is a lack of iron in the present in the body of a person, body of a female, whatever fetus develop in the body, he or she might be abnormal or might be weaker in nature. And that's why whenever there is a pregnancy, doctor will suggest variety iron content capsules like Ferrosoft, Forsoft, Fesovit. Variety iron capsules are to be supplied in a pregnant condition. And whenever there is a lack of iron in the body, and when you collect iron supplement from outside, that iron supplement so called tonic, and that is nothing but so called hematinic. That means iron whenever we collect it from artificial, that is so called hematinic substance, that is so called hematinic solution. And whenever there is a lack of iron in the body, there is a term so called anemia. And when there is a lack of iron, when you require iron from outside, that iron should be collected in the form of variety capsules. As per your syllabus, in our chemistry one, only one iron compound we want to study, and that iron compound which we are going to study, that is your ferrous sulfate, FeSO4 7s2. That ferrous sulfate, it is used as a hematinic, and that ferrous sulfate is nothing but a major source of iron content which is given in the body as an hematinic in the form of capsule. That is a short explanation regarding with official compounds of iron. The next chapter, that is the official compound of iodine. पुढचं चॅप्टर कुठला? आयोडीन. अगोदर हे कंप्लीट करा. इमिजिएटली त्या चॅप्टरच्या नोट्स ते चॅप्टर मी पुढे तुम्हाला सांगतो. थँक्यू.